Hello children, it is the continuation of the page number 5. Let's start. Eat cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, "Run, cousin, run, run." Now same time, because in cupboard one hole was there. Town mouse and country mouse went through by that hole into the in the cupboard, and after this some time owner came, and he opened the cupboard, and then same time town mouse told, "Run, cousin, run." The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard, and the country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. "But what is it?" he asked. Now, like this, whisper means telling slowly. The town mouse wait. Now, same time, because somebody opened the cupboard, now they have to run outside. Otherwise, they would catch and kill the mouse. That's why town mouse pushed the cousin into the hole, and after that he also came out of the cupboard, because somebody was opening. If he would see the rat, they would kill them. That's why he told after this, because country was mouse did not habit to run like this. That is why his heart beating was very fast. He told, "What is this hole?" He was not able to understand what is going on. Same time he came here, and same time telling, "Run, run, run." Then town mouse told, "Shh, don't talk," and slowly told, "Don't talk, otherwise who has opened the cupboard, he will listen and kill us. Then wait, I will tell afterwards." Hello children, it is the last page number 6 in your textbook, and last part of your this lesson. The A reading lesson name, The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse. Let's start. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept. Crept means go slowly out of the hole, and he was quite cheerful again. "Come out now, cousin," he said. "That was only somebody opened the cupboard. We are safe now." Now I told you, when country mouse and town mouse in the cupboard, and same time somebody came and opened the cupboard. That's why town mouse pushed the country mouse. Somebody was opening the cupboard and go, otherwise he will kill. And after that again silent was there. That member went from there. Then now town mouse was very happy, come again and eat, enjoy now food. But after some time, now we are safe, because he was asking, now what happened? When country mouse asked the town mouse what happened, then town mouse told, "Don't talk slowly." And then after this he explained that somebody was open the cupboard. Now we are safe and come. But they were not safe for very long. Twice more than had to run for safe when somebody opened the cupboard door. Again somebody came, because it was so many food items is there. Again family members was coming to take the item. Again they started eating. Again somebody opened. Again town mouse pushed the country mouse, "Go outside, otherwise he will catch us." That is why again running and going means country mouse was not feeling well, because he was habituated to eat silently and raw food quietly. The town mouse got quite tired in running and hiding, because again somebody opening, and he was again running and again hiding. That is why he got quite tired, because he was habit to eat silently. "I want to go back to the country," he said. "We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. What he told, country mouse told, okay, lot of variety arts not there in village to eat, only some food only there, root and sugar cane, but at least we can eat in silently only na, with peacefully. Here what is the use of eating this much variety of food? We have to run again and we can't enjoy the food. And that is so. The next day the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stay on his cupboard in the town. As far as I know, they did not visit each other again now after second day, because how one should live, they happy to live, that only life. Country mouse used to live in the country life, village life, that is why he was satisfied that life only. And town mouse used to live in city life, that is why he was satisfied in town life. That is, and he, the country mouse did not stay there, and he went back to his village. And after this they did not visit to each other house, means country mouse did not visit to town again, and town mouse did not visit to country. Why? Because they did not like the life of each other. They were satisfied only their life. Okay.